Good evening.
Hi,
Good evening.
good evening. How are
Once,
you?
yeah, I am doing great. And what about you?
I am fine.
Okay, once again we have connected.
Yes.
Okay.
You are
So,
Rajni? Yes.
yes, my name is Rajni and I am running the YouTube channel. So that's why I am making the video as well. I am having the practice.
Okay.
Yes.
So, like how you are running your channel?
Actually, I first of all, when I started running the channel, so then I made the video related to, because I give the suggest how to improve our communication skill without partner, how to improve our fluency, and this times I am having the practice as well, conversation, okay, with other person who are learner.
Okay.
Yes.
So, can I ask you a question?
Yes, please, of course.
So how we can speak in front of others without hesitation, without stuck in any sentence? So, how?
Actually, I know every learner have a problem. Initially, day it happens because when I started learning English, so that times I got afraid of making the mistake, and then I got hesitation while speaking English. So I think this is a common thing, okay, and you can improve yourself, okay, as well. You should have the more much practice. You should have effort for improving your communication skill. You should lots of practice, and I think all the people have a question. I don't have any partner. Without partner,
Okay.
how can I speak English with other person? So then I have a solution for this, because when I started learning English and that time I didn't have any partner. I think I have experienced, okay. So then you can start speaking English with yourself, okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
and you can create any fake story. You can speak in front of mirror if you don't want to speak English with other person.
Okay.
So you can start with yourself. You should have the more much practice. That's how you can speak English very well when you start speaking English in front of other people, okay.
So what I want to ask you, like if you want something in our life, and because of some reasons, because of some hurdles, we can't get. We, after that, what should we do?
Okay, actually, I think same. I am saying that this is a very big problem for every learner have. Okay, so you can, if you have more much time, you can join any institute for learning English. If you don't want to join any institute, you can improve your communication skill at your home. You have the practice a lot, and you can create any fake story, and then you can speak with yourself. And another thing, you should watch the English video, okay. You can start learning like child, because a child started speaking his native language. So then they observes every person. He observes every person around the child. So you can observe every person who speak in English. I think this way is very good. You should more much watch the English video, and then you can start speaking in English with yourself in as a in front of. Otherwise, you can start speaking English in front of other, in front of mirror, okay. And I think if you are not interested to learn grammar, so you can learn English structures, because there are so many structures on YouTube. You can check and you can learn, okay. I think this times every person learn the English, and every person who want to learn they learn very well without a partner at home. Okay, through YouTube,
Okay.
through social media.
Okay. So you started your journey. Have you joined any institute or not?
Not actually, whatever I learned through YouTube. Actually, when I asked
Okay.
every person, so that time nobody was with me. So then I started
Okay.
learning English at alone. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Oh,
And
that
you can you
was
yes, and another thing I have, you can use application. There are so many application on Play Store, you can download and then you can start.
okay.
Yes.
Yes, I will work on that as well.
Okay, it's okay, don't worry.
Yes.
What are you doing right now,
So
Neha?
recently I passed my graduation. Now I'm preparing for my competitive exam.
Okay, 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 nice, that's good. So apart from this, have you joined any institute and application?
No, no. I have not joined any institute or application.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes. I just work on. I'm just working on my exams.
Okay, okay, nice. That's good. That's good. So, do you have any
Yes,
question
yes. But I don't-
about
No,
speaking English?
no. Recently, I have went any question because there is no question coming in my mind,
Okay, it's
and
okay. Okay.
really I have
Okay. Actually, Neha,
replied.
yes. Actually, Neha, I would like to say, if you are interested to learn English at alone, so then you can start English with yourself at a you can start speaking with yourself, and you can create any fake story and then you can start speaking with yourself. And if you don't have any partner, so you can start speaking in front of a mirror. I think this way is very good, and initially day I did. Okay, so then so that's how I started speaking, and this times I can speak English well, but I'm not that good because I am learning English right now as well. Okay, because I can speak
Okay, so
English.
I will.
Yes, yeah, please.
I'm saying I will work on your advice.
Yes, please.
I'm saying I will work on your advice which you have given me.
Okay, okay, okay. Nice. So, okay, Nehan, thank you. Nice to talk to you. And once again, I will meet up. Okay.
Okay, okay, okay.
So, thank you. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Thank you. Thank you.